And what we're going to be doing is covering up the sides of the bike. So right now this is how it looks. I'm going to show you how to install some engine covers on the S1000 single R. I started with this engine cover install. Now when you look in the box, this is what it comes with. It comes with instructions. It literally tells you what to do and how to install it. So you should not have a hard time installing this on your bike. So once you open it up, each part that you're going to install has its screws and bolts, so you cannot mess this up. So, for instance, this one has a hardware there. Here's that piece. This one has a hardware at the bottom. Here's this piece. And obviously this one here and its piece. So the first one I'm going to take off or replace is this one. So I'm going to put this engine cover first, and it basically goes here. So you're going to take 1, 2, 3 off, and then you're going to replace it with these, and these are 8mm ball heads. So let me take these 3 off. Hopefully no fluid or nothing comes out, and then I'm going to install the new one. Okay, so once you take it off, no leaks, no nothing, you just put this cover over it like that, and then you put the new hardware bolts. So that way, if the bike ever goes down, this will get damaged first before this part, which is the most, because this is plastic. If the bike goes down and hits the ground pretty hard, this is going to get damaged pretty bad. So I'd rather have this in place where this is protecting this part, because this breaks, you can't get home. All right, one more thing, when you're installing this, do not forget your blue Loctite. Again, do not forget your blue Loctite. Okay, as you guys can see, you got a blue Loctite going, and this one goes here. So this basically goes literally like everything. You need 2 hands. It basically goes here, but I need to move the plastic over. There it is, just to get it to fit. So this is gonna sit just like this. So now that we got both top and bottom completely covered, which is the GB Racing 1 and 2, this side is completely done. Let's go over to the other side. All right, guys, so now you're gonna take off 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get a better idea. You just put this on the bike, GB Racing, the BMW logo. And if you look, it's here, here, and the 2 at the bottom. All right, so now that we got the top part done, now I'm gonna focus on this part. This part's a little bit tricky, but I think I can figure it out. Let me go grab it real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so when installing this side piece, this little piece right here, which is the most confusing part, this actually sits right here, like that. You're gonna take this bolt out, that one, you're gonna take that one out, and then you're gonna put it back, but you're gonna put this in its place. So it's gonna sit like this. And then this side of the back will be done. So let me take off this little piece here, that bolt there, and then I'm gonna install this bracket. And once I install this bracket, I'm gonna take these 2 out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install this piece, like so. So real quick, when you get to this part, what's important is that this metal bracket goes on the outside of this plastic. It has a groove for it to go inside of this little hole right here. That's where this plastic piece goes. If you put this on the inside, you're gonna have a hard time. You will have to take off all the plastics to get in there. I couldn't figure out another way to do so, so I took off all the plastics just so I can get access to get back behind here with a small hex head, like the Torx head, I mean. So now that I'm back here, I'm gonna take off these 2. I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on the bolts, and then I'm gonna install. And guys and ladies, that's how it's done on installing some engine protection. And thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.